Hi, I'm Ian Sutton, a software developer at Latitude Geographics, and I'm here today to tell you about editing feature attributes in the new results table. Let's jump right in.
So let's say you're in a situation where you have a lot of data, a lot of features, and you want to edit a bunch of them at once. In the past, the only way to edit features was through the results list, which would mean you'd have to drill down to each individual feature, make your edits, drill back out, and repeat, which could add some unnecessary time to the editing process when you're making a lot of edits. So in GVH 2.11, we've added editing functionality to the results table to allow lots of editing on a bunch of different features at once. So let's take a look. We're going to identify some data on the map here and look at service requests, which is an editable feature layer. So once we have service requests open here, we're going to go into the context menu and enter editing mode. So once we're in editing mode, we can see we have a lot of little cell editing widgets here, and they're going to vary based on the type of the attribute that they're editing, because each of these columns is a feature attribute, a field in the feature set, and each of these rows is a feature. So for coded value domains, for example, we're going to get a little picker that lets us choose between a bunch of different server configured values. For text, we're going to just get a little text editor, and for dates, we get a date picker. So we can select on a little calendar what time we want. We can also manually enter dates if we so choose. Like so. And when we're done editing these cells, we can just go ahead and hit this check mark here to save them, and that change to the attribute will be saved on the server side in ArcGIS server, so that that feature will have changed for anybody who happens to be looking at the site, just like feature editing in the list. Of course, if you don't want to make your change, if you want to revert to the way it was before, you can hit the cancel button and it'll take that field back to the way it was before you started editing it. And in that way, we can very rapidly make changes to our feature sets.